This is Smoke Signal Studios with system test number 3 of the GE Kit A Fireworx FX-64. As you can see, we have some new devices here. These are all addressable, as well as in the panel I have a relay module in here. So let's go through each device. Device number 1 is an FX-278 pull station. Device number 2 is this relay module with a programmable button set up to activate the relay. So you can see it turned to red there. And we'll have it go back to normal. There we go. Device number 3 is a FX-270, the Kit A model. Device number 3 is this brand new heat detector. It is a KIR-H. We have an older Kit A KIR-PH detector. I believe those are the model numbers. Let me just check real quick. PhD, sorry. The panel will go into trouble here in a minute. Let's just go ahead and remove that. Just get this back. Come on. There we go. So there's the trouble for the heat and the smoke. Okay, I'm just gonna go like this. There we go. Wait for it to pull again. There we go, KIR-H detector. We have a LED Genesis strobe only. And I also have a system sensor chime. Coming in the mail is a Commander 3. That is a strobe only, so that will be here. And I also want to get a Commander 3 horn. So, yeah. So let's wait for a little trouble there. And I think that's just because it's, internal fault. So that'll clear in a minute. So let's go ahead and start with the 270. Just pull. Acknowledge that. Relay module is active. Let me silence that. So the pull station. So this could be used for a lot of different things in the building. It could be used for HVAC shutdown. So if a pull station is pulled, you can shut down the air handler units. You can also have it set up to deactivate equipment. You can have it set up to recall elevators. You can have it set up to close door magnets, to voice evacuation, anything like that. It's just a relay, or access control systems. Have all the emergency exits open, things like that. So let me go ahead and reset this pull station. Never done it with one hand, so let's see how this goes. There we go. And yes, this is the FX version. It says it on the back here. FX-270. Okay. So let me go ahead and reset that relay module. And then we can also reactivate it by pressing the silence button. So we can go ahead and reset that. Press reset, it'll say reset up in the corner. There we go. I'm gonna close this to show what it looks like with the panel door closed. Okay, everything's reset. Let me just put the camera down to reset this. There we go. Now it's back to normal. Now I'm guessing this is the reason why this was removed. This is brand new from box. I got this used. I'm guessing this is why this was removed from the system, because there's an intermittent trouble on there. It doesn't, if you take off the detector and put it back on, it resets. So I don't know if it's a connection issue with the actual device to the base or things like that. But I will have to look into that. But this one is brand new. I really like the design of these. I know Edwards makes them too. EST Edwards. They're basically rebranded for Kid A. This one says a Fireworx. This is a Fireworx X pull station. The other pull station I have is a Fireworx X, but it's made by GE. So this is it says GE FX-278. And then I also have a FX photo detector. This is the older version of these. This was original to the panel. These are relatively new within the past 5 years. These are a little bit older. I do enjoy this smoke detector, but I just thought for the sake of this system test, I'll just have these devices. I also have an FX IDC2 on the way, so that way I can have dual monitor module instead of just the single input one, because this one is supposed to be for a Class A circuit. So as you can see, I have it jumped right there. But I do have an IDC2 coming in. So that way we can have like the push station and maybe some other devices on the system to do different things. I could even have it set up so this does 2 things. It activates the supervisory. There's 2 different sets of contacts. Yeah. Also below, I will link my eBay link in the description. I have a bunch of devices for sale. I have these Eaton low frequency alarms for pretty cheap. I think I have them selling for $15 each. I will probably lower the price to $10. Yeah, I have 2 of those for sale. I also have this chime for sale. It is used and it does work. Yeah, other than that, I have a couple of Gentex devices coming, and that's pretty much it. Eventually, I would like to get the system mounted on either a project board or the wall. It's a little hard because I rent and it's a little more difficult. So yeah, FX system test number 3. Thank you.